Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best storage shed that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Rubbermaid 7x7 FT Outdoor Garden Storage Shed. If you've got the space, the Rubbermaid 7x7 FT Outdoor Garden Storage Shed could easily be the last product you ever need. It boasts an impressive 332 cubic feet of space, making it perfect for a range of tools, bikes, lawnmowers, and more. The size also makes it easy to use, allowing you to walk in to find what you need rather than crouching down or leaning over to rummage through your garden equipment. There are 2 windows which boost its garden appeal and give it an attractive look that it's possible with every storage shed available. Inside, you can install pegboards or shelves to enhance organization and keep everything in its right place, while the handle and utility hook system can also give you a straightforward solution to the trickiest tool storage dilemmas. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lifetime 60326 Vertical Storage Shed. The Lifetime 60326 Vertical Storage Shed is one that you can feel confident setting up in your backyard. The interior capacity measures at an impressive 51.25 cubic feet, and this gives you plenty of room for your lawnmower up to 24 inches in width, as well as an array of other items crucial to keeping your garden growing the way you want. As for maintenance, it's easy to clean, and all you'll need to do is wipe it down should it get a little dirty. The exterior is also impact resistant, which is perfect for those heavy-duty jobs, while the UV protection will prevent brittleness and also stop items inside bleaching, which could affect their quality. Its reinforced steel construction provides further durability and you can always rely on. At number 3, we have the Rubbermaid Vertical Storage Shed. If you're someone who's short on space but big on ambitions for how you can improve and maintain your garden, the Rubbermaid Vertical Storage Shed fits the bill perfectly. The compact design will stand tall and proud in any backyard, and it boasts exceptional quality that anyone serious about top-draw gardening should consider. The slim design makes it perfect for long-handled tools, such as soil aerators, shovels, and rakes. If you've joined the Church of the Pressure Washer, there's space for that, too. It is easy to assemble, and once you've set it up, which takes just 15 minutes, you won't need to worry about it ever again. The quality materials mean it's entirely maintenance-free, so you can bask in its appearance whenever you feel like it. At number 2, we have the Keter 240790 Premier XL Resin Outdoor Storage Shed. Premium quality is what you need when it comes to garden storage. But if anything meets such demands, it's the Keter Premier XL Resin Outdoor Storage Shed. If you're a keen cyclist, this is the perfect choice for you. It eliminates the awkwardness that comes from packing bikes into the garage and instead gives you a consistent and confident alternative that allows you to put them away and retrieve them with total ease. The steel reinforcement further accentuates its quality, while the polypropylene resin plastic construction is weather-resistant, so it will last through winter storms and summer sunshine, with you always being able to rely on it. The unit is UV-resistant, which will prevent cracking even after many years, and the hydraulic pistons ensure easy opening and also make it safe for your kids to use, ensuring they don't trap their poor little fingers. And finally at number 1, we have the Lifetime 6446 Outdoor Storage Shed. This is a grand setup and there's absolutely no doubt about it. The visual allure alone is enough to ensure its viability. But its aesthetics are not the only selling point here, as the Lifetime 6446 Outdoor Storage Shed is incredibly functional as well. It is made using dual-wall, heavy-duty polyethylene as well as some top-notch steel trusses. The exterior is equally UV-resistant and as such, the durability is guaranteed. In addition to all this, the storage shed also has a total of 6 little skylights, 2 screened vents, a pair of decorative shutters as well as a pair of polycarbonate windows. That's not all, there's also a total of 4 corner shelves for your essential tools thrown into the mix, which makes for a more organized setup. The cherry on the top here is the lockable steel reinforced doors that ensure the security of everything within. All these components are completely weatherproof, so, come rain or shine, the entire structure is sure to remain standing. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.